guys, welcome back. Today we'll be showing you how to make super cute hay nets for your Schleich horses. Just a disclaimer, hay's messy. So let's get started. For this you'll need a mesh bag of garlic that you can buy from the store, scissors, a Ziploc bag, moss, hay, paper shreds, or anything that looks like hay, a large needle, and string. So the first step is to take the garlic out of the mesh and put it in your Ziploc. Now you can use your mesh, but still have the garlic. Please make sure your parents are okay with this first. Now take off the bag and turn it inside out so the metal part is hidden. Now take your hay and try to get smaller pieces because that will work better. Just stuff it inside. It's kind of tricky, but it will be worth it. And now you have the base of your hay net done. You can trim off the top, but do it higher than you will need. Make sure the hay stays inside the mesh. Next, take your string and throw it through the needle. Please be careful because the needle is sharp. Then start weaving the needle through the top of the hay net all the way around. You want it to be mostly even, but it doesn't have to be exact. Then pull it closed. Just make sure none of the hay gets stuck. Next, tie the two ends of your string, then make another knot with a loop like this. And there you go. That was so easy, and it makes a realistic hay net to put in your stable. Here it is compared to Mystery. It's the perfect size. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you try this yourself. See you next time.